Welcome back, friends, to TV5 News at 9. It's time now for We Love It Legally Speaking with Attorney Carol Thomas. Thank you so much for joining us. How are you?
I'm wonderful. Thank you very much.
Good. I'm so glad that you're here. Today we are talking all about elder law, estate planning, and trust. So, Attorney Thomas, we've talked about how elder law handles incapacity issues such as a nursing home expense, but let's talk a little bit more about estate planning. What are some ways to transfer a home or condo to loved ones?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to start with the ways that people do it.
Okay.
But they're the wrong ways to do it.
Oh boy.
The most common way is that if a spouse has died, someone tells the wife or the husband, oh, you need to add your child's name onto the deed. And that is the absolute biggest mistake that you can do. You should never add a child's name on a deed. I've been practicing for 25 years and I've never done it. The other big mistake is ladybird deeds. A ladybird deed is where I would say, I, Carol Thomas, when I die, I want my home to go to my children. That deed has many, many problems, and a lot of estate planning lawyers do ladybird deeds because they think that's the best way to transfer the property, but we have seen individuals lose their homes because of the ladybird deed.
Oh, wow. So this is great. I hope you have a pen and some paper down, friends, for all of this. This is terrific. Now, so what is the best way to transfer a home after death, Attorney Thomas?
The best way is a trust.
Okay.
I love doing trusts, and I really recommend that if someone is over the age of 50 and they own a home, really a trust needs to be set up. A trust is phenomenal. It avoids probate. And also for many, many married couples, if we have their home in a trust prior to nursing home, we get everything protected because their home was in a trust before nursing home. It's such a basic thing. There's still so many lawyers that say you need a lot of money to do a trust. The more you have, the more you need a trust. Colette, I actually say the less you have, the more you need a trust. Because of nursing homes being $150,000 a year, let's get things protected with the trust.
That's right. Start making those plans now. So I want to dig into a little bit more about trust. Are there different types of trust, Attorney Thomas?
Yes, sir. And basically what I talk about, Colette, is the revocable trust. And that's what we basically do at the office. Revocable trust, you can revoke it, you can change it, but it's the key to nursing home protection. There's another type of trust, and it's actually an irrevocable trust. And irrevocable trusts are for very special circumstances, so we do them, but not as much as revocable trusts. And then there's another trust we do, which we've never talked about, our special needs children. And that's a discretionary trust, and we do a lot of discretionary trusts. If a child has special needs and is going to receive government benefits, we do the discretionary trust to protect them so they don't lose any of their government benefits.
And that is so important. A lot of people, I'm sure, do not know that. Thank you for bringing that information. Anything else that you'd like to add to give us?
I would just like to add that timing is everything, and this really needs to be done before nursing home. I highly recommend, we were taught in law school, never guarantee anything, but I think I can guarantee that we're all going to pass away someday.
That's right.
So get the trust done, make it easier for your loved ones. It's just hard enough emotionally when a loved one dies. Don't make it harder on them by having probate and having them hire lawyers and all of that.
The easier, the better. And you definitely don't want to procrastinate at all because it's going to happen. It's inevitable. So why not plan ahead, right?
Exactly.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much, Attorney Thomas. We appreciate you coming in. If you at home want more information, head on over to the hot link section at WNEM.com. Don't go anywhere. John is tracking the rain that we need right after the break.